It seems that I had the mic on mute. Hi everyone, this is Dan Marc. I'm the CEO and the co-founder of Footprints AI. Thank you for joining today. With me, I have Andrei, who's leading the product management. And as you can see, we have a new environment. We've been growing very fast in the last few months, and we've moved offices. We have new offices and new colleagues. On the other side, I do believe that we have a QR code here. I've added it this time so everybody can be able to scan and download the retail media guide. And we are all already going to be waiting for 2 more minutes so everybody can join. We have most of the subscribers and joiners that we had in all the webinars that we had up to today. Thank you for that. Thank you for your interest. So today we are going to get some help from Andrei. We are going to go through how to create, how to run, and how to manage and optimize basically omnichannel retail media campaigns, both in-store and online, which means in-store like screens and radio, video screens that are positions in any type of formats and position placement within the store, radio the same, plus the online, which includes web and mobile apps and loyalty programs and direct communications, and of course the managed social media channels by the retailers. Okay, 1 more minute and we'll be able to start. As for all the other webinars, I believe we will get more comments. I've seen all the comments there, and all good?
All good.
Excellent. Okay, so let's start sharing the screen. Great. I believe we can start. So here's Footprints AI. This is the platform. We are still using the staging environment. So this is a demo staging that we have. And Andrei will take it over. It will go through how to create a new campaign, how to select the objective, how to understand how much, how much incremental increase in sales, right, you can achieve. For example, configuring the campaign in such a way that you can do it at store level or channel level, and any type of specifics that are part of your campaign objective. We're going to show you a very interesting feature, which is quite new, how to dynamically manage campaigns and stores based on product availability. So if you haven't got the product available at a shelf, right, then the campaign can stop or pause for a while until the product will be available again. And so does with the stores. And then go into how to do the creatives, how to manage the creatives, the visual, the texts, the call to actions, and then of course then how to add smart conditions like weather, for example, to run your campaigns and optimize the results. So, Andrei, would you like to take it over? And if everybody can see the screen, just bear in mind that we don't see the comments at the moment, so we can only see our screen, if that's all right with you.
Okay, so here's the main campaign screen. We have all the campaigns overview here. We can start a new campaign. This is the main campaign starting screen. We have the main recipes, which are drive awareness, generate leads, and boost sales.
So basically, this would be the place where you'd say, for example, I'm launching a new product and I want to make sure that I'm getting the most awareness, and I advertise to those people who are more likely to remember the ad and then remember the brand, right? The new product they have. Or generate leads. What does it mean? It means that, for example, you run a promo campaign. One of the objectives is beyond sales, is to acquire users in your CRM or loyalty program, and then you want those users to basically click or subscribe their data into a form, and then go into your database. So that will be the generate leads type of recipe. And boost sales is where basically you are endemic, right? And you want to advertise and promote and push your product and boost your sales, right? At store level, specific SKUs, and then of course correlate how much money you actually invest in media through footprints and how many extra sales, incremental sales you get. On the left side here, you have the campaign reach planner, which means that basically if you'd be able to get into footprints and you are, let's say, a community drink, you will be able to see all the people that are within the Footprints AI ecosystem, their age distribution, their gender, how many are actually living in the urban area, how many are living in the rural area. Then, life stages. Just bear in mind that this is still a staging. Household disposable income. So based on the shopping behavior and the basket value, right, we extrapolate that into the likelihood for that household to be gaining 3,000 in between 2,000 and 3,000 euros. Shopping habits and preferred day of the week, and of course what's the week of the month in terms of volumes, and the basket mix, right? What are the top most purchased products by your target audience at basket level? So quite a very rich type of insights that are helping you to further refine your audience. So let's click on boost sales, and then we can create a new campaign. In here again, this is the hero product that we have, where basically you are an endemic brand, right? So you are on the shelf, and what you want to do, you want to basically create a new campaign. Let's choose the campaign name. Let's do the brand.
Let's choose Coca-Cola.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Excellent. So then you have the categories predefined, which makes things a lot easier, of course. And you can choose the budget.
Let's go 20K for this one.
20,000 euros. Start date, which is today, and end date, let's do it by the end of the month. Excellent. And campaign description, can we do some description there?
Yes, we can do an internal description.
Coca.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Coca.
Okay. Some small Gen AI.
Coke.
Okay.
Sorry. this one.
Okay, please another question.
Yeah. Okay. So I think the demo is max 150. Maybe it needs a bit refining.
Okay, that's fine. Great. Let's use this one. We don't care. It's just an example. Now let's choose. What do we choose today? So UK, right?
Yeah. Let's go for UK today. Okay.
So the great thing is that we have one of the latest features. It's called product availability. So what this does, it allows you to select only those business locations where right now and at the start date of the campaign, you have the product on the shelf, right? So let's say that you have 2,000 stores within a retailer's retail network, and you don't want to do guesswork, and you don't want to advertise to those shoppers that won't find your product right in specific stores. So you can select that, and then you can further refine it, right?
Yeah. You can add a new filter. So product availability in
Hypermarkets. Okay, so this retailer has convenience, hypermarkets, and supermarkets. Then we choose what? Select only. I believe you can. Yeah, you need to. Yeah, activate. And also, let's say something else. Let's say that we want some of these hypermarkets, right, to be kept outside of the.
For this one, hypermarkets.
Okay,
I believe
let's
only
choose.
one.
Yeah.
Let's go for convenience.
Okay.
Okay, I have two.
Add all of them. Yeah. Let's add all of them. Supermarket as well. Great. Okay, perfect. So now let's choose two stores that I want to exclude from my campaign. Why? Because I want to have a control group where I make sure that there's two stores out of the campaign. And if I want to compare post campaign or during campaign, right, how the campaign is performing, right, I can just start comparing the sales results with the those two stores that where I'm now running the campaign, right?
Yeah.
And by running, what I mean both in store, but also online. So online means on-site and off-site, targeting the people, the shoppers that are living in the vicinity of each individual store that we've selected earlier. So here,
I don't know. Let's go for digital screens and radio.
okay, that's for in-store.
For on-site, let's go for mobile app.
Okay.
For off-site, I don't know, Facebook posts, let's say.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So basically, you can see how from one single screen, all the campaigns are being, all the channels are being enabled. Yeah. And also you can add offers. So basically, from footprints, you can purchase by generating. Yeah, let's do Omnichannel vouchers, right? What it means, we generate the codes. You can auto generate codes, or you have a promo code of your choice, and then you generate 9,999 codes, right, and offers. And what we do, we synchronize these offers in all the retailers that we work with. Right? So, for example, we run the campaign. You distribute the codes, and then the shopper gets the code and gets to retailer A, B, or C that are part of our network, and they can redeem that. And we are reporting that back in real time, and you don't have to work with individual retailers any longer, right? So it's one single place to manage your vouchers. Let's go now. Let me show. Yeah, let's show the.
Let's upload
The visual, the key
visual
visual.
here. Key visual. Let's go.
I need to scroll. USB. Yeah.
USB here.
Okay.
Let's go for this one. No, this is a small one. Let's choose from then
Okay.
or a free image. Better.
Okay.
Let's go for beach, since Coca-Cola goes with beach.
Okay.
I like this one. Or
Okay.
This one. This one. Oh, it's still loading. Let's go this one.
Excellent.
I like the palm trees here.
Okay, so you have to choose between Gen AI, free images, and image library.
I think the provider is. Oh, wait.
No, let's wait. Otherwise, like a Gen AI, right?
Yeah. We can also add the key visuals in the next step
Okay.
for each campaign. Yeah. For each channel. Sorry.
It doesn't seem to be loading. Huh?
Yeah. No.
No? Okay.
I clicked.
Let's go
outside,
forward.
So let's go next.
Something is happening with this. Okay. I believe you are good to go now.
Yeah. Oh,
You are
yeah.
missing a. Yeah.
Let's go for Footprints AI.
Okay.
And we can also activate smart tracking here, which automatically redirects the user based on device and operating system.
So basically, instead of you having different campaigns with different targeting, different devices, so Android versus iOS, you can have one campaign, one button for all the sending the user to the right interface or the right app. If it's Android, you go to Android. If it's Chrome, you go to the specific landing page, etc., etc. So
yeah,
very intuitive. And then
we are at the media content. Basically, here we have all the channels that we selected previously. We activated for this campaign, and we can select the content for each of them, or not select the content, right? So we have a landscape screen.
So if I have that on, it means that I have to basically have content there. Okay.
Yeah. So we can go in the media library. We can filter by videos, for example. Let's go for this one since it's a Coca-Cola one. Right. We can also do a preview. This one also has sound. For portrait screens, let's select an image. This one. Okay, so it's full HD.
Excellent.
Vertical. Great. If it's not, we can crop it. No worries there. Let's choose a radio ad. Not sure if we have one here. No.
There is one. Fine.
Yeah, I saw. I think this is the Coca-Cola one. Let's hear.
Okay, the
This
same
is
one.
the one. Okay, for mobile app, let's go for an image.
Right.
Right. So we have the
title
there. We can upload. We can go for free images. Gen AI.
Can you show Gen AI?
Let's. Not
say
sure if it goes through Coca-Cola. But
no, but you can say pink cat with bow tie.
With
bow tie.
Bow tie.
Bow. Yeah.
Bow
W.
tie. Yeah. Let's see what cats during Coke.
Right. Excellent. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Can I use this one?
Yeah. Let's
Okay.
crop it.
Okay.
Might be a bit too large for the mobile app, but
Yeah.
let's crop it and see how it goes.
Otherwise, let's choose.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's upload one.
Okay.
This one.
Excellent. Okay.
Okay.
Let's go on.
A description. I don't know. Share a Coke.
Great.
And a call to action, I think, should be the same, but correct it.
Excellent.
Okay.
And I have the custom URL, so I can track exactly all the clicks, all the views, everything there.
And I think we should, yeah.
Ah, Facebook page.
Facebook.
Huh?
Let's go for
Okay.
a Facebook
This
post.
is what you, yeah.
Yeah. Let's go for share a Coke. Share a Coke.
All right.
This summer. Let's go for an image, I think, here.
I can choose video as well.
Yeah. A video post. Since we already have one, let's go for this one.
Okay.
Share a Coke with Raresh.
Great. Let's
We
go
can
on.
add multiple images.
So I can do a carousel
Yeah.
type of
Content duration.
Okay. For the screens, yeah.
This one for the image.
How much time this content will be shown on screens, right?
Yeah.
One item.
The device selection. Okay. I think those
They
that
have
we
no
select,
screens.
they don't have any screens. So let's move on with this one.
So that's great because if I select, let's say, 4 busy locations out of 400 or 1,000 out of 10,000, right? And if they don't have a specific format or channel, then of course this notifies me that that media is not available.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's good. Okay, so now I can do targeting based on audiences, and Coke, I want a specific audience. Let's say, okay, so you already did that.
Yeah, I already did.
Can I look into, let's show also the predictive.
Yes. So we can remove this one and
Okay.
we can go.
Great. So predictive audiences, right? There are live stage audiences which can be further refined to be saying category purchase. So buyers. So basically you can say young singles, young professionals, young couples, right? Just are the images that I see in that visual. And then I can say category buyers, right? High frequency category of buyers, weekly category buyers. So they buy carbonated drink once a week. So I can choose that and I can set it up. Yeah, let's select these 3. So basically what it does, then the system tries to look into both stores and all the channels, digital channels which are correlated with people, right? Living nearby those stores, and say, okay, let's find young couples, young professionals, young singles, right? That are category buyers, and let's send this message to them. So that's one of the logic. Then I have another logic, which is great. I can say, you already see that I have a reach here, so 4,000 people, right? So in those locations, a couple of locations, few thousand people living nearby and being at the live stage, young people, young singles, young professionals, young couples, and they are most likely to go and buy carbonated drinks during the campaign period. So if I remember correctly, that was 16th to the 31st
Yeah.
of this month, and 4,000 will be basically reach both in store and online. Let's go to product availability. So product availability basically says that I can automatically do what? I can automatically stop the campaign based on the product availability. So if tomorrow I have no, or today I start a campaign and tomorrow I have no Coke in store number 2 out of my campaign locations, then guess what, right? The campaign pauses. How long it pauses? As long as the product is not available. So for example, if in 2 days time I have the product back, right, in those stores, what it does is restarts the campaign, right? So it retargets the living nearby through Facebook posts and mobile app, display advertising, but also in store with screens and radio, right? So then I can manage the campaign budget, and I can make sure that I'm not spending any budget. Now this feature is also going to add, if I want, right? If I go back to the first screen, I can say, but add new locations, right? If my product is going to be available in newer location. So this is where I see, 2 scenarios. One is that, okay, your product is now listed in all the locations. So at the time of this setup, I only had 2 locations where Coke was listed, was available. But guess what, right? 2 days later, basically, my product is on the shelf of the 3rd store. So I want that 3rd store to be dynamically added to my campaign, right? And same screens and same radio and same mobile app ads and same Facebook posts to be going to the people, right? And living near. This is where basically I do what? I see that the retailers I'm working with and where I want to advertise my product is opening a new store, right? So that's quite hard to handle. It's a lot of technicalities behind. So the system, what it does, creates a new store and then checks if there's any active campaigns where the store can be part of. So the store basically requests, right, in that sense, and Footprints provides all the intelligence for the store to get instantly, right, the right ads based on the product availability and the new store being part of the retail network, right? So let's say that this retailer opens a new store tomorrow. In that store I have Coke, then of course that's added, right, automatically into my campaign. Of course I'm going to pay a lot more because initially I had 2 stores, then tomorrow I have 3 stores, so I get a notification, right, and I'll opt in that sense. But that's a very cool feature, right? Okay, max impressions. Look, if you don't want to overspend the budget, or you want to basically make sure that you are targeting not more than 1,000 times, right, all the store shoppers, then you can cap your budget. Whether I want my Coke ad to go more than 30 degrees, let's say, very hot outside, and what can I clear sky, right? Let's choose clear sky, right? So it's clear sky, 30 degrees, right? Only then my ads will be running both in store and online, right, on the mobile app and social media. And okay, good. Okay, now we can save this flow and we can
Start the campaign.
Great. So now this campaign is scheduled, all the channels, everything, predictive targeting based on the likelihood for them to be buying, category buyers.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you show us the new editor, right? So basically we have a new feature where we do what? We can build media.
Yes, so using this editor, we can dynamically create visuals for campaigns based on product price, product names, and so on.
So what can I do? I can
you
place a
can
background.
you can place a background. Let's go to the library. Let's choose, I don't know, this background.
Okay.
Simple.
And then I can
This
say
is
what?
a portrait one.
Okay.
Okay.
So
Then
this will go on my digital screens, right?
digital screens. Yes.
Or okay.
No, digital screens, basically. We have landscape, again, for web and digital screens.
Okay.
It's the standard, and square for mobile. Right? Or
So
of course,
if I don't
custom.
have, let's say, I have, the background, back shot, some pricing, some texts,
Yeah.
I can do all the creatives from here, right?
Yes. So if we'd like to recreate the Coca-Cola one, we would go. So this is the background. I pre-uploaded the elements, so I believe that one had some caps. The call to action and the logo.
Oh, you're adding them.
And they are all
Okay.
added as layers, right? So you can,
Okay.
and then they can be resized. Of course, it can be vector, PNG, or whatever. I don't know. Let's go for the cap here, one cap below. I think this one was, sorry, new laptop.
Windows user and he's a Mac user, so John, you need some help.
Yeah, so let's go for this one, right? And we have a live preview here. So this is what it will end up in the campaign in the media library. Yeah. So this one is, so of course we can save this as a template. Let's go for Coke portrait. Right. If we do a refresh, no, my templates, I have a Coke landscape that I did earlier with all the elements. Right? Of course, layers, we can delete, edit. If I don't know.
Also, these are the layers of this visual.
Yes, yes, these are the layers of this visual. We can remove background automatically. We can go for Gen AI with images. I don't know. A pink cat with bow tie.
Yes, a pink cat with bow tie.
With bow tie. Good. Let's do this one as an element.
So I can choose.
You can choose to be a background and an element. For elements, the background is transparent.
So like objects, right?
Like,
I can,
yes.
And what if I want to have a pack shot, which is showing either Coke Zero or Coke regular dynamically? So I say that in store one, I have a Coke Zero SKU, only one. And in store two, I have Coke regular only. So can I replace the pack shot dynamically per location?
That's a future feature.
Okay. Yeah, that would be great. I'd like to have that. What else can we do dynamically?
Any type of text.
Text. Okay. Yes. So like price.
Price, product name.
Product name. Tagline.
Price.
Message.
Yes. Anything.
Okay. Right.
Anything that can be in a database or a CSV file.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, that's nice.
Okay, we can save it to elements and add it to our
okay.
to our visual here, right?
That's a better visual. Yeah.
Yeah. So now if we would, let's do some cleanup here. Let's delete this. Let's delete this. And now I would like to use a CSV file, for example. Right? You can add the text. So I activated the CSV file or connect to.
What does this? So these are the variables.
Variables that are found in the CSV file. In this one, they can be as many as we want. Right? So if we can go here and say share a Coke in, it's AI, it will autocorrect.
Oh, okay.
Share a Coke in 3 different languages. Let's go for playful or enthusiastic and advertisement. And now we can share a Coke. Enjoy in every language. This is a good one. And this one. Let's go for.
That's Windows.
That's Windows. Okay. I didn't do anything there. Okay, so let's do.
It predicts your intention.
Ah, okay. That's good. That's good. And product name.
So what do we do now? What's the?
Now we have a slogan and a product name which is dynamic.
Okay.
Right.
Can I change the blue color?
And the blue color is because it's selected.
Ah.
But it's black and it's not good. So let's go to edit. It's not good for this one. I think the
too bright.
No, too crowded.
Oh, right, of course.
For this one, so let's go like this.
Okay.
Right. Let's select the text, make it bold, make it white, and make it 18 pixels.
Okay.
We can save this one. It's now updated. Let's place it somewhere here. And we can see that the first product name,
Coca-Cola Classic.
Coca-Cola Classic multi-pack 6 pieces. I believe it's there, but it's too long. So we need to move it around a little bit. Right, still too long.
Okay, someone with a great design skills would be able to do this better.
Yeah, of course.
Multi-pack. Yeah, it's a 6-pack.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a can. It's a 6-pack.
And now if we export this one, let's go.
Okay, that's good. So what did I do here? I've been selecting dynamically a product from the store level.
Yes.
And I can do this as the best offer of the day or a happy hour type of thing. And I can keep the same visual, but I can then replace the offer itself, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And then soon I will be able to change the pack shot, right?
Yes.
Okay, so show the pack shot. So I can do now dynamically text to, to communicate what's available, the best offer locally, right?
Yes. For each
store level, for each location per audience. So I can choose then, young singles to see something else
per
young
campaign,
professionals. Yeah, per campaign. And then soon I will be, and now also dynamic pricing.
Yes.
And soon I will be able to dynamically change the pack shot as well, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we can see the images are generated. Then we can check for.
Okay. Also, these are all the stores that I have, right?
Yeah.
And all the
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Excellent. Let's go back. Let's see if we get any questions. Excellent. Who pays the voucher discount value? So we have a question. Who pays the voucher discount value? This would be the brand in our case. We don't interfere in the trade deals, but brands and retailers. But in our case, what we do, we basically, the brand buys vouchers from us, and then we synchronize those vouchers with the EPOS of each individual retailer, right? So if you choose retailer A, B, and C, and then you buy these vouchers from us as part of the campaign budget, then of course we synchronize that further on. Okay, there are some people meeting in live. Hi, Mitcha, that's perfect. So these are all the comments, and I believe this video will be recorded. It already went live on LinkedIn and YouTube. You can just text both myself and Andrei, right? You'll find us on our Footprints AI LinkedIn page. Check out the website. Our website is getting a big redesign, and we get tons of new content and tons of new features. And soon we'll be more specific, a lot more specific regarding, what are the unique benefits and unique capabilities that we enable for brands looking to go into retail media or to scale the retail media investment, and more case studies and more content. So basically, you'll have this video available on the website, on YouTube, and on LinkedIn as well. Please text us if you have any questions, and otherwise I'll be seeing you the next time for the next webinar, and we'll let you know. Please subscribe to our newsletters, join the webinars, download content, and send us any type of questions that you might have. Thank you, and I'll see you next time. And have a great one.